NC205-1. Bigat. Ayan. So, lapit mo konti para makita nila yung markings. Ayan. So, ngayon lang tayo nagkaroon nitong unit na to. So, full metal yung receiver niya. Metal din yung front assembly. Sobrang solid. Mabigat siya. May kabigatan ng onte. And naka-BCM na grip. Selector is ambi. HK markings. Dito rin. Ambi yung mag-release. Working yung bolt catch. And then naka-HK stock. Fully adjustable. Or adjustable. With 5 positions. Ayan. So may numbering dun sa taas. And then battery compartment dito rin sa likod. Ang laki nung ano yan, no? Tube. So comparing it with the other ENC units, ito sobrang laki ng tube niya. No? Malaki ba talaga, oh? Kasi parang saktuhan lang dapat dito, di ba? Kasi kung iba, di ba? Malaki talaga, malaki. So metal charging handle, rotary type chamber. Ayan, so ambi din yung bolt release niya. Pogi. Oh, sights, ito pala yung sights niya. Ngayon ko lang din nakita yung ganitong sights. Ayan, so yung adjustment nandito, right, left. So other than that, wala na tayong na-miss out. Okay, so may underrail na rin pala for grip attachment. Okay, so magazine guys, ito yung magazine niya. Mid-cap magazine, may dummy bullets. For extra magazine, meron tayong available dito sa store. So test natin. May kasama na rin pala siyang LiPo battery at saka charger. Oo nga pala. Medyo excited ah. Teka, paano ba yung ano nito? So, hindi siya. Okay. So, no choice kasi naghahanap ako ng access niya dun sa may bat pad niya. Mukhang ito. Hindi ko lang sure. Wala. Baka mabali ko pa. So, naka-Tamiya plug. Hindi ko alam kung malaki yung buffer tube niya eh. Pero supposed to be, ito, compatible. Ah, hindi talagang malaki, no? Malaki talaga. Okay, sige, test natin. Ayan, sobrang solid ng tunog. Ayan. So, FPS out of the box is around 450 to 460. Then, full auto natin. And 440 plus. So, ENC 205-1. Kakaiba yung tunog niya. Ang lakas. Okay, so ito makikita nyo to sa new arrivals natin ng May. And then, ito, yung pangalawang ititest natin, ang dami nag-aabang nito. ENC MK18 na two-tone or WB. Ayan, no? So, front assembly niya medyo may pagka-grayish. Around ano to, 10 yata, 10 inches yung front assembly niya. And then may front and rear sights na rin nakasama. Full metal receiver with Colt markings. KEC grip, polymer. And then naka-crane stock version 1, adjustable. Naka-butterfly swivel for sling attachment. And then naka-reinforced na rin internal parts. And then naka-rotary type chamber. Working yung bolt release, metal selector, metal trigger guard, and then metal yung magazine release. So out of the box, may kasama na siyang LiPo battery at saka charger. And then, magazine niya is 300 rounds na metal magazine. Okay, so test natin. Check natin kung ilang FPS. By the way, tatlong colorway pa lang dumating for MK18. Merong DE, which is yung full unit is color dark earth. And then merong full black at saka itong WB, which is two-tone yung colorway. Ayaw pa yata magpalagay nito. Ayan, okay na. So 420 FPS auto. Wala. So FPS out of the box, sabihin natin nasa 410 to 420. So ENC, WB,